Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm here to talk about our brand new Lil Durk sample pack that we just released. If you're interested in the sample pack, you can get your copy today at beatit.com. There are 20 unique compositions in this pack, each with their MIDI and WAV files so you can manipulate every part of the beat. Here are a few of the samples from the pack. Like I said before, each sample has its MIDI and WAV files, so you can manipulate every part of the beat. If you want to make the perfect Lil Durk beats, head over to our website at beatit.com and grab your copy today.